Hi, hello, good morning everyone. And today for first hour math, we are going to be dividing fractions, all right? So find your packet. The first page should look something like this. And then your homework or quiz portion should look something like that. So today we're going to be doing the first portion. So first two pages, we'll be doing those together, but only a select few, and I will let you know what those are here in a second. All right, so for the first page, that looks something like this. We will only be doing questions 1, 3, and 4 together in the video. The rest will be on you to do for additional homework. All right, so let's get started. All right, so let's look at question number 1 here. So we have 1/5 divided by 2/5. Now, this might look really difficult, but something very helpful that might make this a little easier for you to do on paper without trying to figure it out in your noggin. So we're going to keep 1/5 and leave it alone. All right, we're going to leave that one be, and instead let's get rid of that division sign and just make it a multiplying sign like we did yesterday in our previous lesson. And then let's flip flop. So instead of it being 2/5, let's make it 5/2. So now this becomes 1/5 times 5/2. All right, so 1 times 5 is 5 over 5 times 2 is 10. And 5/10 can be broken down into 1/2 is our answer for number 1. All right, so now let's look at number 3 here together. We have 5/6 divided by 1/2. So we're going to do exactly what we did on the last one. We're going to change this to a multiplication sign. Make this 2/1. So we're taking 5/6, multiplying it by 2/1 or 2. 5 times 2 gives us 10 over 6 times 1, which is 6. Now, you would think that we're done, but we're not. 2 goes into both of these. So we break this down by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. So our total answer for number 3 is 5/3. All right, so let's take a look at the last one that we're going to do together on the front. And that is number 4. And for that is 6 divided by 2/3. So let's first do this. Let's make 6 a fraction. So 6/1. Change the division sign to a multiplication sign and make this into 3/2. 6 times 3 is 18. Over 1 times 2, 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So our answer for number 4 is 9. That finishes up everything we did on the front side. Now, let's go to the second side, which is dividing fractions, all right? And there's only 2 on this one. These are the last 2 that we're going to do together before it's time for you to work on your homework. So, let's start with number 11. The Marquez family has 4/5 pint of ice cream in their freezer. So they have a 4/5 pint in their freezer. If each family member is served 1/5 of ice cream, how many people can eat ice cream? So there's 4/5 of pint, and if each person is served 1/5, how much is that? So let's go over here. Keep the 4/5. We change Back to a multiplication sign, and we flip, making it multiply by 5/1. 4 times 5 gives us 20, and 5 times 1 gives us 5. So 20 divided by 5 can be broken down into 4. So the answer for number 11 is 4 people. All right, now we're doing number 12, the very last question that we're going to do together before you need to work on your quiz or homework. All right, so number 12 says, Yvonne bought 10 yards of fabric to make bandanas for her basketball team. So she bought. Okay, it's about 10 yards. Each bandana requires 1/3 a yard of fabric. How many bandanas can she make with 10 yards? So we could do it like this, or 10/1 times 3/1. 10 times 3 gives us 30. 1 times 1 gives us 1. So she can make 30 bandanas. So for your homework, you are to do the rest of the front page that we did not do together here in the video, and to do this sheet, dividing fractions. You need to do this page and that page for homework. All right, this should not take you very long. And again, as always, if you have any questions for me, go ahead and send me an email. I will get back to you as soon as I can.